Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Moomoo to buy stocks. Moomoo is a trading platform that allows you to invest in the stock market with ease. To get started, first download and install the Moomoo app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Once you have the app, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your identity and provide some financial information to comply with regulatory requirements. After your account is set up, you will need to fund it by depositing money into your Moomoo account. You can do this by linking your bank account or using other payment methods such as credit cards or online payment services. Now that your account is funded, you can start searching for stocks to buy. Use the search bar to find the stock you are interested in and click on it to view its details. You can also browse through the various categories and filters to find stocks that match your investment goals and risk tolerance. When you find a stock you want to buy, click on the Buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. Before you confirm your order, make sure to review the transaction details carefully, including the number of shares, price, and any fees associated with the trade. Once you are satisfied with the details, click the Confirm button to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that Moomoo offers different types of orders, such as market orders and limit orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute when the stock reaches a certain price. As a best practice, it is always a good idea to do your research and set a budget before investing in the stock market. You should also consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of assets to minimize risk. In conclusion, buying stocks on Moomoo is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start investing in the stock market and achieving your financial goals.